सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे चैनल को। और आज आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे मार्केट हाईलाइट। सेंसेक्स इंच 2025 फाइनल सेशन 546 PTS हायर, निफ्टी above 26,100, JSW still raise fee 5%, ONGC 2%। और इकोनॉमिक्स टाइम्स आज है 31 दिसंबर 2025। और जो स्नोपिस्ट सेंसेक्स टुडे स्टॉक मार्केट लाइव अपडेट्स। Indian stock closed higher on the final trading day of the year of Wednesday, with the Sensex and Nifty rebounding after 5 and 4 straight sessions of losses, respectively, as buying returned to metal stock following the government's decision to improve a 3-year safeguard duty on selected steel imports, among other factors supporting the rally. Indian benchmark indices the index higher on Wednesday. Sensex today stock market live update. The BSE Sensex climb over 545 points or 0.60% to in at the 85,220.60, while the NSE Nifty 50 advanced nearly 191 points or 0.74% to close at 26,129.60. Or why was the stock market rallying today? Steel stock advance, crude oil assist, value of buying, technical view, feel long short ratio. Top reads of the day: Sensex Nifty and 2025 as worst performs can 2026 since the script SIP sahi hai. Mutual fund investor win big with 97% success rate in Treasurers 2025. Nifty reseals rare 10-year winning streak by ending 2025 with 10% gain. What does it mean for 2026? और आप लोग अभी देख पा रहे हैं जो ग्लोबल मार्केट का अभी आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे तो ग्लोबल मार्केट अपडेट्स आप लोगों ने लिया है। जो द स्टॉक्स यूरोप 600 फेल 0.1% एज ऑफ 8:29 AM लंदन टाइम के द्वारा जो स्टॉक यूरोप का है 600 फेल हो रहा है 0.1%। और S&P 500 फीचर फेल 0.2%। और नास्डैक 100 फीचर फेल 0.4%। और फीचर ऑन द डो जोन्स इंडस्ट्रियल एवरेज फेल 0.1%। The MSCI Asia Pacific Index was little since the MSCI Emerging Market Index rose 0.1%। और आप लोगों को देख पा रहा है जो वोडाफोन आइडिया टू गेट रेस 5,836 crore as promoter payout रेस 2,307 crore over 12 months। और आप लोगों ने देखा जो वोडाफोन आइडिया विल रिसीव रेस 5,836 crore from Vodafone Group under the amended implementation agreement resolving long-pending contingent liability of this raised 2,307 crore is scheduled for release over the next 12 months as per the terms of the updates agreement। और आप लोगों ने देखा वोडाफोन आइडिया सिक्योर्स रेस 5,836 crore promoter payout to receive रेस 237 crore in 12 months। This decision was taken in the board meeting held on the Wednesday and since were made to the erstwhile implementation agreement dates March 2000। Vodafone Idea will receive Rs 5,836 crore from Vodafone Group under the amended implementation agreement with Rs 2,307 crore to be released over 12 months. The agreement settled long-pending contingent liabilities linked to the Vodafone Idea measure. Vodafone Idea received 5,836 crore from the promoter Vodafone Group as part of the amend implementation agreement regarding its long-pending continuance liability settlement. The promoter will release an amount of Rs 2,307 crore over the next 12 months in accordance with the terms agreed in the amend agreement. The IA governs the continuance liability adjustment mechanism established at the times of the merger among Earth Wheel, Vodafone Idea sellers and the amendment agreement record the discharge of such claim. The decision was taken at a board meeting I held on Wednesday and since were made to the East while implementation agreement date March 2017. According the company's failing to stock exchange the received claim recovery structure under the amendment agreement will be done through a combination of cash and share-based mechanisms. Earlier today, Vodafone Idea issues a clarification on media reports about Union Cabinet approving a 5-year moratorium for the travel telecom company, freezing the company's adjusted gross revenue due to a Rs 87,695 crore. The company clarified that it has not received any communication from the government in relation to moratorium or the Asia freeze as and when there is any development which require disclosure, we will do the needful. A separate filing said Vodafone Idea share today flunks 15% to an intraday low of Rs 10.25 on the NSE in a significant reversal of trend. The stock opened higher, raising 6% to hit a intraday high of Rs 12.8 before the sharp pullback. प्लीज़ वीडियो थोड़ा शेयर और लाइक एंड लेटेस्ट वीडियो बनाने के लिए मेरे चैनल से जुड़ी रहे। थैंक यू।